And ultimately, you could potentially download them into a new body or into a robot body. The future is going to be weird.
Nah, Elon Musk is funny, bro. You think you're putting a fucking chip on my head? If you're putting a... All the conspiracy theories that had to go through it for the last 10, 15, 20 years. Now the truth is coming to the light, man. And I've told people, there's been people talking about this for years, you know. And, you know, it's all about living your truth and being fearless and not worrying about what people think. Because if you're onto something, trust me, the truth will come to the light. And this whole NEURALINK, what they want to do, turn you into automatons, like, unless you are brain dead or you cannot move parts of your body, there's no reason to take NEURALINK. I teach natural holistic ways in how to tap into your higher self, which is on my YouTube. All the power is within. You don't need no chip. Obviously, it's not going to be accessible to everyone anyway because it's going to be expensive. But over time, this is what will be readily available. Remember this, they put the fake in real life and they put the real in the movies. All that is happening now has been predictively programmed to us through movies, TV series, cartoons, all of that. And NEURALINK, as good as it could be, because I'm still for technology, what will happen when they do those systematic updates and there's another situation where we're in lockdown and they disconnect that vault or they control your thoughts? Have you ever thought about that? As there's always a good, there's always a bad polarity, okay? So you need to realize that there's good and bad to everything. But we have the mind to make our own decisions anyway. So why would you want someone controlling your mind? It's all about mind control. And lockdown has proved they're already controlling your ass without a brain chip. So imagine with one, with this whole lockdown shit. Now, let's just say they want to do this whole systematic update where they download your dreams and consciousness and transfer it to a robot. As cool as that concept sounds, you need to realize that life and death is a part of being human. As long as you are not scared of death, you will not be necessarily excited by this revelation that they want to occur in the future. That is a part of your soul. Unless you don't have a soul, you literally don't have a soul, it doesn't make sense that you would want your consciousness transferred onto a robot. If you're familiar with Akashic records, you'll know that our thoughts, emotions, feelings, everything we have is already from a higher source anyway. Albert Einstein said that the great genius that he was, that wasn't even from him. That was from something out of source, something from a higher power, you know? And his soul lives on today. People still doing groundbreaking things off the theories he found. So it's inevitable that we are going to be going into a robot automaton lifestyle. But if you are true to yourself and you have integrity and you have self-identity of being proud of who you are, then you won't want to take this route of being connected to a brain chip, you know? It is what it is. But yeah, man, it's all inorganic. It's as simple as that. And I'm holistic. And this is what I'm teaching. I'm teaching holistic ways to find that source of power. Connect to the Akashic records more than you ever have. Because this is what it is now. It's a fight between being organic and being inorganic with your mind and control. So let's wake up. 2020 is just the beginning. It's not to scare you, it's to get your ass in check. You either want to take the red pill or you want to take the blue pill. It's up to you, man. So yeah, man.
Kam Legend. Legend.